Who needs a ball? There we go. Do you need a ball, Pat? Do you need a ball?
You don't face it.
What's up, big fella? Good. You doing all right? How's the family? Good. Everybody good?
Hey, man. All them threes, bro.
You do first, okay? That's the deal.
Hey, look, hold on. Hey, the pace, right? Make or miss down here. Get it and fly. Together on three. 1, 2, 3.
Upstairs, Green couldn't catch up to it. Basket hanging. Westbrook will get there for the two-handed flush.
Corner's open. Keep shooting the three.
Yes, sir.
Corners, they're squeezing in.
Yeah, yep, you're right.
It's such a welcome sight for Bucks fans to have Lopez back.
Lopez connects on a three.
Great start, right? No panic. They made their first threes, right? Their first 3 threes. We stay the course, right?
Dinwiddie, three-pointer, Spencer Dinwiddie nails that one.
Smart is what's going to get it done, right? Smart is going to get it done. Simple decisions offensively, no fouls defensively, we play.
Oh, what a move by Jordan Poole.
Hey, they made their run. They're trying to get the crowd into it. We've been here. We talk about it all the time. We don't break under these conditions. That's not who we are.
Timers at 8 on the switch. Porter's got Paul. Paul into the lane with a floater. It's good. Chris Paul comes up big again in the clutch.